Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to edit your display name on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. If you're already logged in, you're ready for the next step. Next, look for the gear icon, which you can find in the bottom left corner of the window, right next to your username. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings, you'll find yourself on the My Account screen. In the middle of this page, you should see the option for your current display name. To make changes, simply click the Edit button, located to the right of your display name. Now, it's time to get creative. Type in your new display name. Remember, this is how your friends and server members will see you, so choose something that represents you well. Once you're happy with your new name, just click the Save Changes button at the bottom, and that's it. Your display name has now been updated, and you're all set to show off your new identity in the Discord community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and gaming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.